Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel OCTANE TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. This is a 2004 Honda Element. We're going to be changing out this factory radio and going with something a little more 2022, 2023 with upgraded features of Bluetooth and everything else. Removal tools. He's going to try to pop this face off here. This is step one after determining what you do with this radio when you look at it. So this is the panel pry tool we're going to use. Click it right there. Look at, he's just a magician over here with this plastic pry tool, man. You better watch out for him. He can get in all kinds of crevices and deep little canyons. He's good at that. I'd pop it with the thing at the top. I wouldn't pull on it. There you go. That's what I would do too.
Things here.
So we're going to have to pull those off. Those are a pain in the butt to get off.
And put them on the other.
Okay. And then here's what we're going to have when we left over. You're going to have a screw, or I believe an 8mm. You got a screw. I would probably use like an 8mm. I've had problems with Nissans and Toyotas where if you use the screw, it'll just strip it out. I'd probably just use the 8mm on there. We're going to take these 8mm out. It's got 4 of them, 2 on each side. There's the bolt when it's all done. Okay, and here's the radio when you pull it out. There's going to be a lot of harnesses in the rear here too. Mainly because this bad boy is amplified. It does have the subwoofer, and it also does have the tweeters as well. Let me try to get those harnesses for you, buddy. It's on the top.
Here's one.
Yeah, in the middle. There you go. Got it? That's right in the middle on the top. There you go, buddy. Oh shit, about to drop that one. Okay, so here's what you're going to be left with when you pull that out. Big blue plug, black secondary plug, antenna, and a green plug. Those are the what you're going to be left with. And then there's the back of the radio as well. That it comes with. This is the stock one. This is the one that came with. And then these little pieces right here that are the side pieces, these actually snap into the front trim bezel piece. And they're labeled. One has a small one, one has a big one. And then they're going to snap into each corresponding side that has the same size opening. And then we're going to mount our double DIN to that, and then that's going to slide in there. And that's how it actually mounts into the dash. I'm just not quite sure if this can go back on, because ours is silver, and we can put the silver one back on over the black. We'll definitely let you know. They look identical, so maybe we can just use our silver one instead of the black one. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to be using the 5600, the XAV-AX 5600 on this head unit today. This is pretty much the premier head unit. It has every single feature you could possibly imagine. So we're going to be using that on this Honda Element today. So we have to take these off with a hook tool in order to get these out and then transfer them over from the stock piece over to the aftermarket piece, which is the black piece down there. So we're going to take these off and put them back exactly how they come.
And they have little teeth right here.
Yep, so you got to make sure you put them right back in. Exactly how they come out. Yep, 4 of them right there we have to transfer over. This is the parts that we're going to be using, which is a 70-7863 Honda Element Up premium harness and a 95-7863. This is the Honda Element double DIN dash kit from Metra. We'll actually have a link down below, and you can actually click on that link and buy both of these parts. Here's the radio installed, 2004 Honda Element. Looks really nice in here, fits really good. And we also did a rear view camera. So you click it in reverse, boom, rear view camera. Pretty amazing, even though it was extremely hard in this vehicle. Put it back in a park, everything's good. Go back over to Bluetooth, boom, Scooby Dooby Doo. ...2004 Honda Element remote start by New Start. We also did lock and unlock. Here's what the headlights look like before. Very yellow. Before we put the LEDs in. LED on the left, halogen on the right.